It's almost here, our next holiday quilting bee. Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and it's almost here. It is time for our next holiday quilting bee. It is hard to believe this is only the second holiday quilting bee in 2026. Our first was back in January for Martin Luther King Day. So if you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome. New subscribers, welcome, welcome. All my members, paying members, I so appreciate each and every one of you. So what is a holiday quilting bee? Well, a holiday quilting bee is something we started over a year ago. We celebrate a time to get together on national holidays to quilt, sew along, giggle, laugh, do whatever, and do whatever makes all of us feel good about this crazy world of crafting that we are in. So on Memorial Day, May 25th, at 7 a.m. Arizona time, you have the opportunity to join me, please, to spend 3 hours together sewing, crafting, quilting, chatting, doing whatever makes sense. And we will be focused on a project from Villa Rosa Banner Day. So because it is Memorial Day, because it is a patriotic type holiday for me, I like to do something red, white, and blue. We've done a lot of different things in the past. In fact, last year we did their pattern called Sparkle and Stripes, and that's the quilt that I actually entered into a couple of quilt shows this year. This time I just wanted to do something a little simpler. Sometimes we do table runners and different things. I chose this table runner as the sew along just because it is something that we should be able to accomplish in the 3 hours that we're together. It finishes out 15 inches by 63 inches. I do really like the staggered way the stars and that show up on here. I do need to run and get my own fabric, but anxious to see kind of how that stitches out and what that looks like. Joining me does not mean you have to do that pattern. I do tend to pick a lot of Villa Rosa patterns because, number one, I like the simplicity of their patterns. I like that it's just all the directions on the back of a card. It's not anything overly complicated. It's $2, guys, if you want to go out to their website and grab it. Hopefully you might win one during some of our lives over the next couple of weeks. We'll give those out, and hopefully you'll get those in the mail in time for the holiday quilting bee. Join me May 25th, 7 a.m. Arizona time. We'll be on from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. We'll have some prizes, giveaways, and that during that time together. And it's just a time for us to collectively be together as quilters, sewers, crafters. Just an opportunity for us to chat about whatever you've got going on, whatever I've got going on, and just the fact that all of us don't have to work on that day, which is an amazing thing in itself. So guys, join me Memorial Day. Banner Day is the pattern that we will be using. If you want to do your own thing, do your own thing. No one's going to be there to judge you. It's just a matter of another opportunity for us to be together. Hope you all have an amazing rest of your week. I am so looking forward to us getting to be together on Memorial Day, right before we probably do some picnics and other things, and we will have a good time, that's for sure. So guys, as always, until next time, happy crafting!